Cybersecurity Club here at WIU is very unique because we're a tight-knit community which helps you build friendships.
There's always new content, new material to look over, and tons of stuff that I've learned that I wouldn't have outside of this club.
I've been finding new information I've never learned before.
The Cybersecurity Club provides you an opportunity to mingle up with other like-minded students, and that will help you in your career.
A huge part of our club is active participation.
My favorite club activity has been definitely the hands-on lab portion. So we basically take a common world problem that you're going to see in your career field, and then we take that problem and then we go into the thought process behind that problem, and then we break it down with a hands-on lab.
Being a part of this club has allowed me to stand in front of the Macomb community and work specifically with the higher-ups in the City Hall of Macomb. And we were able to host a cybersecurity awareness and prevention workshop for them.
I transferred from a community college, and even in my first semester, I was going over aspects in network security and aspects in forensic security, and I have never even touched those at my community college. And I think it definitely helped me focus in on what I need to learn for my cybersecurity career.
Students should come to WIU to get a cybersecurity degree because the access to resources and faculty availability.
It's a great program. There's lots of wonderful professors here that have tons of knowledge, tons of experience in this field. It's given me, just a lot of opportunities outside of class to learn new things.
I've met way more people than I thought I would not being in this club.
People just have a lot of fun. It's a safe space for everyone to kind of step in and learn a new thing or two.
We're all here to learn whatever it is about the computing environment, but we do it as a team.